Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video and app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can log out of your Meetme account in a Meetme application. So you have a Meetme account that you use for online dating and communicating with people, and now you want to log out of that account for some reason but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to log out of your Meetme account in a Meetme application in very easy way. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to log out of your Meetme account is open the Meetme application. Once you open the Meetme application, you'll land on an interface like this. Now from here, in order to log out of your account, what you need to do is simply tap on the Me option on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then it will take you to your profile. Now from here, what you need to do is scroll down to the bottom, then go into your settings. Once you go into your settings, again what you need to do is scroll down to the bottom, and here you'll see a button labeled as logout. So in order to log out of your account, what you need to do is simply tap on the logout button. Then a pop-up window like this will open and ask you for your confirmation, so tap on the yes option in order to confirm your decision. Once you do that, you'll successfully log out of your Meetme account. So those are the simple steps in order to log out of your Meetme account in very easy way. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.